join me today as we take a look at this beautiful village French Chateau for sale in Saint-Emilion. This beautiful home is listed at $1,484,000. If you need the conversions for European, the listing is in the description box. This home has 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and is 5,600 square feet. So even though it's 5,600 square feet, that's pretty large, but it is on the smaller side for a chateau and the more manageable side for a chateau. This is a village chateau, so it's set in a small village, but the village does have a boulangerie and a restaurant. And also this home sits on 2.4 acres, which is pretty big for a village chateau. This home has been really tastefully done. I love the feeling of this. It looks like it feels so cozy and warm. I've seen so many chateaux that it seems like they're just kind of thrown together, a lot of the interior design. I personally really love the idea that this is a village chateau. I like the fact that you can ride your bike or walk into the village, get your bread. I like that. I know that a lot of people like tons of acreage, but for me, I would prefer smaller. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.